Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. So I have here some shrimps which was washed already with some vinegar. I put a little bit of salt and my IRIE spices. Garlic is in there and stuff. So I'm gonna do curry shrimp. Okay. So I'm using here turmeric powder. I'm putting some turmeric powder on it. Also, I'm using some IRIE curry. And then I'm going to cook it down with some bell peppers and scallion and some whatever ingredients you like. I put some black pepper and a little bit of salt. And onions. That's what I'm gonna do. But for now I'm just gonna put the curry and then I'm gonna cook it down with the onions and all the lovely things. So I have here in the pot some olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil and some curry powder. That's fine too. Guys, because the shrimps are already pre-cooked, I'm just gonna add my seasoning to it. Yes guys, so here I'm going to let the onions and the bell peppers and everything cook down and simmer for a little bit, right? Keep in mind they're frozen or pre-cooked shrimp, so it doesn't need a long time, and it's just a seasoning to cook to your liking. I hope that you guys are enjoying the video. Please remember, please leave a comment after the video. Share it out if you can and tell someone about the life of Cleo. With this shrimp, curry shrimp, I'm gonna add white rice to it with some vegetables. So here you're gonna see I dish it out with white rice, tomatoes and cucumbers, and that's my dinner for today. Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Tell someone about the life of Cleo. Thank you for coming.